HilltopAds.com. The link of this site I am giving below in the description. Click on the link now and visit the site. Rest of the information I am going to give you here. The overall view of this site I am showing you here. Have a look and try to understand what it offers. Now let's understand this. This is another alternative platform from AdSense. I will not say it is the best, but one of the best. Now let's understand this. What is Hilltop Ads? Hilltop Ads is an advertising platform to monetize your sites or apps. It helps businesses and website owners work together. Businesses get to show their ads to the right people and website owners get paid for showing those ads. It's a win-win for everyone. Why should you care about Hilltop Ads? Well, if you own a website or an app, you can make money by displaying ads through Hilltop Ads. And if you are a business owner, then this platform can help you show your ads to the right people who are most interested in what you offer. Pretty awesome, right? If you have a dating site, then go for this platform so that it will approve your site instantly. There you have mobile apps and utilities, gaming, VPN and e-commerce. So it's a great platform. Go for it. Well, the other matters you can read if you are interested here. Here they have their products, partnership, companies. Now coming to the most important part, and that is to sign up or create an account. So click on sign up. Next you have I am the advertiser or publisher. I am publisher, so I click on publisher because I want to monetize my site. If you are an advertiser, then click on advertiser. Next, write your name and then email. Since I have already created an account, I will ignore this option. Soon as you click on I agree and sign up, you will receive an email. Check your email. Most importantly, check your spam folder because this is where your email will normally come. My email came in my spam folder and here it is. This is the email. Click on confirm. Immediately upon sign up, you will be directed to their dashboard. Well, I come back to their dashboard a little later. Before that, welcome to my channel. Here you have the mostly videos related to blogging. Have a look at some of these videos. They might be helpful to you. Next, this is one of my site where the ads have been placed. These ads are from Hilltop Ads. I will guide you how I placed these ads. Just for demo purpose, today I will show you how to approve this site and how to place their ads. So don't run away, but keep watching because it will surely help you. Now what we will do first is let's copy the site link and then go in the Hilltop Ads dashboard. Here you can see I have already added 2 sites and placed their ads. First, let's approve the site here. I paste the link. You have 2 categories, mainstream and non-mainstream. I will select mainstream as it is not a dating site. So select mainstream. Click on add site. Wait for a while, which is normal procedure. And here it goes. You need to verify your site. Now, as usual, here it is the code. You have 2 options to add this code. First, upload this file in the root directory, or second, place this meta tag to the HTML of your main page. I will copy this code and go to my site. I'm using this plugin called Snippets. You also must use this plugin. Look for header and footer option, and then under this option place the code and save the file. Go back to the dashboard of HilltopAds and click on verify. Once that is done, wait for a while. Take a sip of tea or coffee, and then here you got it, instant, or what we call immediate approval. The good thing about this ad network is there is no requirement of any traffic limit. It will also approve your blogging site, no issue. Now that our site is approved, our next option is to create ad zones. Now here you can see that they have 6 ad formats. I have tried all these formats, but not all the formats are working for me. The reason could be because of the theme that I'm using. What I suggest for you is keep playing with these codes and see which ad formats will work for you better. Now let's create the first Popunderads. Once you click on the zone type, you also have to name your zone for easy reference. Once you create on create zone, you will have to add this code to your site. Click on Popunderads. This code will be generated. Copy this code and then go to Ad Inserter and paste this code here. The ads will not be shown instantly. It will take some time. So I will show you one more option. Let's create another option. The third option, which is supporting for both desktop and mobile. Click on zone type and copy and paste here, and then click on add zone. Wait for a while and then the code is generated. Add the following code to the site. Copy the code as usual, paste here and wait for some time to check. In this manner, if the ad does not work in the location that you are placing, check in other areas like sidebars, top and bottom footer. Here once again I am showing you how I have placed the ads, so there is nothing to worry. The ads will appear but a little while later. Now we will cover the most important part, and that is payment history. They have a video which one should watch to get more information. Next, about your account. Here, in case you wish, you can make all the necessary changes to set it right. Now, after that, the important part about your payment, how to receive then when you reach the threshold. Yes, have a look at these options and select the best payment option you feel is right for you. Let's talk how they pay you. Payments are made weekly after your minimum balance of $10 is reached via your preferred payment system. Next, they have the referral program as well. Here what they offer, 5% for publisher and 5% for advertiser. Here they have these banners to display in your site. You can change the banner sizes as you prefer. Finally comes the help center. Here is the name of your publisher manager who you can contact when you have any sort of problems. So, hope this video was helpful. Place ads, generate good traffic on your site and earn good money. Sure, this ad platform will be much better from the other AdSense alternatives. Don't forget to give your feedback. I will appreciate, and it will also motivate me to create better videos. Bye-bye.